ka jingpan jaka jong sipai lingsun Air Force adu khatpra ka yaka jaka jong tanat veterinary naka sarkar jilla lengba ka Raja Sainik Board haus nam arjar khatsau batmenta usnam khamtam hakini ki artayau tam kala longkum kamat ka balawanra yaka jing yakawang kte apdeng UMLA kamliam uba Roni V lingdo bat ka seng sain berthai ka United Democratic Party UDP kajing kawang kte apdeng ka UDP baru UMLA kamliam kelas dang nakadaw jong kajing ong jong uba Roni ba umdan jingtep alor katai kaman wala ka RTI ka penpau bakata ka jingpan jaka ka dei ka basya nrei ka ba TCTV ban khamshai ban nakadaw iu ba kisipai lingsun Air Force kilapan jakan jong ka tanat veterinary na ka sarkar jala menta ka sngi ka arterek unaitung kalayo banyakren bat u public relation officer ka tanat defense u Captain Amit Mahajan ulaong ka jingpan jaka ka dei ka basya bat ka daw ka dei na ka benta banla bantai ka disaster management center jong ka Eastern Air Command hagane ka than chatai lammingi henrei uni captain ulai thu pan bahadu benta kimpat sim layo ya ka jing mendur na ka sarkar jila lakan ai ne em ya ka tei ka jaka.
Yeah, the Eastern Air Command has requested the government of Meghalaya to give them about 18 acres of land so that they can construct a disaster management center in that land. The land is adjacent to the present Air Force boundary and it is not being used for anything else because it gets flooded during the rainy season. So that land is right now vacant. The Eastern Air Command has requested the Meghalaya government for the 18 acres of land for disaster management center. The approval is not yet received. We are awaiting the approval. If the approval comes, only then the construction of disaster management center will commence. The Eastern Air Command can only request the state government for additional portion of land because the existing land which the Eastern Air Command has, that is totally occupied. There is no place absolutely to construct this kind of a center, which will be used for training of the Air Force people so that they can be trained in disaster management and ultimately be useful to the people of Northeast whenever disaster strikes, either in terms of earthquakes or in terms of flood relief or any such disasters, because the training is a must and right now there is no place in the Northeast for such kind of a training. Whatever the policy is there between the Ministry of Defense and the state governments, those things will be taken care of.
Hakawai kaliang kania kamat jong ka jingpan jaka jong ka Eastern Air Command yaka jaka jong ka tanat veterinary kamcham lalong ka batep pajba batlaru ban ong baka deiru ka basya baka Raja Sainik Board ka ba umentri rang ba ka jala ubalong ru u president jong ka tai ka board umsham la pentep cha UMLA ka meliam namar bawat ka menteri ka tanat veterinary and husbandry ka Deborah C Marakru kamdan jingtip AA halor kani ka man